Hi everyone. If your WhatsApp is not opening, crashing, or not responding, don't worry. Let's fix it quickly. First, force restart your iPhone. This helps remove temporary glitches that may be causing the issue. After restarting, open WhatsApp and check if it's working. If it's still not working, check the WhatsApp server status. Open any browser on your iPhone and search for WhatsApp server status. Then open the Down Detector website and see if there's an outage. If the servers are down, you'll need to wait until WhatsApp fixes the problem. Next, check app permissions. Open Settings on your iPhone, scroll down and tap Apps. Find WhatsApp and make sure all permissions are enabled. Also check Screen Time Restrictions. Go back to Settings, tap Screen Time, then Content and Privacy Restrictions. If it's enabled, turn it off temporarily and test WhatsApp again. Now update the app. Press and hold the App Store icon, then tap Updates. If WhatsApp has a pending update, install it. If that doesn't work, offload and reinstall WhatsApp. Open Settings, go to General, then iPhone Storage. Find WhatsApp, tap it, then select Offload App. After that, reinstall it. As a temporary solution, you can also install WhatsApp Business. Log in using the same number and transfer your chats if needed. That's it. One of these methods should fix WhatsApp not working on your iPhone. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.